Hello, this is Kate Sicchio, and I'm going to give you a little run through of Studio Stage in Estuary. So, Studio Stage relies on using video clips and sits on top of Sincero, which is a language in Estuary where you can manipulate these clips. So, all of my clips live in this GitHub repository, and you can see there's lots of these edited down small clips of movements of true dancers, some solo and some duets. So the first part is the studio part. So this is where we're taking these clips and giving them names and sort of providing the material for the screen dance. So I have one called Low Improv or Improv Low. I have another one with Tamara, one of the dancers, doing some choreography. And I'm going to add one more of both the dancers called Running. So I'm going to find one of the running clips. Let's do both running. Actually, let's do both running towards. So I'm going to copy the URL for this clip. And I'm going to create a running. And at the end, I have of the URL to the video, I have to add raw equals true. And now I'm going to add running to the list of rules. All right, so that's the studio side. Now the stage side is where I can now call these newly named movement material video clips. So for example, I can call, actually let's do Tamara Choreo. So I'm going to run the language that I just updated and then run Tamara Choreo. And hopefully the video should appear. So I'm not getting any errors. Trying this again. All right, let's try another clip. I don't know why that one is not running right now. Here we go. So here's the clip that I just put in. It's a walking clip, but we named it running. So now we have this running material to work with. All right, so in the stage side, now I can decide how I'm going to present this, right? So right now the video is full screen, so I can do things like change the size. Now I have a smaller version. I could set the coordinates. All right, now I've moved it over to one side. And now that it's on that side, maybe I'll add a second video over on the other side of the screen. So I'm going to do that down here. And down here I'm going to call Mara Choreo and see if it appears. Ooh, there she's doing choreo. Oh, because I put the videos on top of each other. Of course. Now I'll fix that coordinate. And now I have on my stage, using the stage side of the language, I have these two videos going back and forth. I'm going to change, and this is where you can start doing the choreography on the stage, right? So I'm going to change running also to Tamara Choreo. So now she'll be duetting herself. And then lastly, to start to play with these loops, I'm going to give one video a different start time in the loop. So now I have this sort of movement counterpoint happening. And then if I wanted to, I could speed up or slow down the movement as well. So I'll speed it up. And then maybe I'll make one back to some of the other movement I had up there, like running. And maybe I'll speed up that as well. And I'll slow the solo choreo back down. So that's it for now. So if this was a collaborative process, you could have one programmer choreographer bringing in the video clips and naming them and giving the material, putting the material into the language. And then on the other side, you could have a separate programmer choreographer sort of, designing the production output. Thanks so much.